Kapatid, musta? Tara basahin natin ang Proverbs chapter 11 verse 2. Pride leads to disgrace, but with humility comes wisdom. Ang tao pag madalas nasasaktan, tumitigas ang puso. Kaya napakahirap na ang magpatawad. Dahil ang puso nila ay punong-puno na ng paghihiganti. Dahil doon, nasisira na ang kanilang relasyon sa kanilang kapwa. They have become suspicious of people because their trust have been betrayed over and over again. Ngayon sa katigasan ng kanilang puso, sila'y unti-unting igagapos ng pride. Paano ito makikita? Sila ang laging tama at ayaw nilang makinig sa payo ng iba. But it says here that humility leads to wisdom. Ang taong mapagpakumbaba ay marunong makinig. They don't jump to conclusion because they listen to both sides of the story. Kapatid, matuto tayong makinig. It will develop in you patience, understanding, and wisdom. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you on our next Bible study. God bless.